Hi, everyone. This is for my classroom teachers, school leaders, instructional coaches, mentors, anyone who works with educators and with students. And I want to talk about Eduaide.AI, a fabulous tool that you can use as an assistant in the classroom and can help you create content and even grade writing assessments or writing assignments. So model for you or show you exactly how I would use this if I were a classroom teacher, and let's say on my planning time I was going to write a reminder email to parents to let them know how that the end of the first quarter is coming up and missing assignments need to be turned in by a certain date. But as things happen, I needed a sub during my planning period. So I didn't have time to sit down and write that email. So I'm going to utilize Eduaide AI. I'm going to come right here to where it says email home. I'm going to click on that and notice right here where it says grades, and you can change that as well. Then I'm going to come down here, and this is what I'm going to ask, that I need help writing an email to the parents of students in the class. I'm going to set some parameters, what I would like. Then I'm going to click add to workspace, very important. And then I'm going to look over here on my right hand side, and I am going to see that this email pops up with the parameters that I asked for help in writing. So read through it, make any changes or corrections that I want to add, and then there you go. In less than a minute, I was able to write that email.